Hello and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. If WhatsApp notifications are not showing on your Android phone, here's a detailed guide to help you fix the issue. 1. Check notification settings in WhatsApp. Make sure notifications are enabled. Open WhatsApp, click the three dots icon at the top right corner, tap Settings, then tap Notifications. Make sure if message, group and call notifications are turned on. Choose a sound, enable vibration, and turn on pop-up notifications if needed. 2. Check Android notification settings. Ensure your phone is not blocking WhatsApp notifications. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap on Apps, then search for WhatsApp. Tap on Notifications. Make sure all notifications are turned on. Tap into each category, messages, groups, calls, and ensure Allowed is turned on, sound and vibration are enabled. 3. Allow background data and app activity. Make sure WhatsApp can run in the background. Long press on WhatsApp app. Then tap on Info app and select Battery. Choose Unrestricted or Optimized. Go back. Then tap Mobile Data. Turn on Allowed Background Data. 4. Turn off Do Not Disturb mode. Swipe down to access quick settings. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off. 5. Restart your phone. This clears temporary bugs or delays in system notifications. 6. Update WhatsApp and Android system. An outdated version can cause unexpected bugs. Go to the Play Store and search for WhatsApp. Tap Update if available. 7. Reinstall WhatsApp if nothing else works. Uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp from the Play Store. Restore your chats from backup. Now you know how to fix WhatsApp notifications not showing on Android. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.